Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, I'm going to show you guys how I make my classic mac and cheese. Guys, this macaroni and cheese is so cheesy, flavorful, delicious, creamy, and addictive. Okay, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. Start by bringing a big pot of water to a boil. Add salt and pasta. Give it a good stir. Cook it according to the instructions on the package. Next, melt butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Stir in flour. Stir continuously until the mixture is smooth. Add half and half along with heavy cream. Allow it to cook for about 5 minutes until it thickens and bubbly. While the roux is cooking, we're gonna go ahead and drain out the pasta. Wash the pasta under cold running water to stop the cooking. Keep stirring because we don't want it to crust. Next, we're gonna season with salt and black pepper. We're gonna also toss in paprika and continue to stir. In a medium bowl, add the pasta along with the cream sauce. Then we're gonna add sharp cheddar cheese along with mozzarella cheese and gruyere. A little bit of hot sauce, guys, to give it a kick. Then we're gonna mix all this together. Guys, it's gonna be so creamy. This macaroni cheese, if you cook them, make sure you double this recipe because there won't be any leftovers. Next, we're gonna add milk. Give it a good stir, guys. Grease your 19 by 13 inch dish with a cooking spray, then dump the macaroni cheese mixture in. Once you taste this homemade mac and cheese, you'll say goodbye to powdered cheese forever and say hello to Mama Bui's creamy sauce cheesy mac and cheese. Yes, guys. Next, we're gonna sprinkle cheddar cheese on top of the macaroni mixture. I love cheese, guys. Cover with the foil and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. At 25 minutes mark, we're gonna pull out the mac and cheese, remove the foil, and continue to bake it for another 10 minutes until the top is golden brown. There you have it, guys. Mama Wee's classic mac and cheese. If you want a creamier mac and cheese, put in more milk after baking. It will thicken up from the starch in the pasta, or you can cook your noodles in milk instead of water. I hope you enjoyed this video. Share it with your friends and your family. And if you are new to Mama Wee's Kitchen, welcome. Please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and leave a comment. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey. Bye, my honey.